Hello student, welcome to Nice Math Olympiad program. Today we are finding value of x if x into power 3 plus x is equal to 30. Now we are solving the value of x. We are finding now our question is x into power 3 plus x is equal to 30. So x into power 3 plus x, this move to this side minus 30 is equal to 0. And this will be x into power 3 plus x minus 27 plus 3 is equal to 0. X into power 3 minus 27 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. This will be x into power 3 minus 3 into power 3 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. In next step, this x into 3 minus x into 3, we use this formula a into 3 minus b into 3 is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now we are putting this formula x into 3 minus 3 into 3 is equal to x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 3 square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 3 square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this x minus 3 into x square, x minus 3 into x square, 3x plus 9, 3 square is 9 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. In next step, this x minus 3 is equal to 0 and this x square plus x 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Our a is 1 and our b is 3 and our c is 10. This side we get x1 is equal to plus 3. This is our simple solution of x. Now we solve this side. X is equal to minus b into plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let x is equal to minus 3 into plus minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 10 divided by 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 40 divided by 2. So this will be x is equal to minus 3 plus minus under the root minus 31. After this calculation, this divided by 2, x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 31 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 31 into iota divided by 2. Now this is our final answer, and our value of x2 is minus 3 plus into 31 iota, and x3 is equal to minus 3 minus 31 iota divided by 2 divided by 2, and x1 also equal to plus 3. These three are our value of x. Thank you for watching till end. Now we are verifying this. X into 3 plus x is equal to 30, and this will be x3. 3 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 30. 3 into 3 is 27 plus 3 is equal to 30, and 30 is also equal to 30. Now our left hand side is equal to right hand side, and our answer is verified. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more lumped math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.